Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Erica Lifestyle here and there. Just kidding. So yeah, today's vlog, it's another day, it's another collaboration, and it's another working with Be a Small makeup brushes again. So thank you so much, Be a Small makeup brushes, for choosing me again for the second time around to work with me, and thank you so much for trusting Erica Lifestyle. I myself and so grateful and immensely grateful that you guys are picking me as one of your brand ambassador for Be a Small makeup brushes. So a while ago, I think that was the last time I worked with them. It's different makeup brushes with LED mirror, and this time around is kind of special. It's kind of useful for, you know, for makeup organizer. So stay tuned and stay with me and be frosty, because we're gonna unbox this together, and let's see what's inside the box. Okay, stay tuned and bear with me, because without any further ado, let's keep the ball rolling. So yeah, I have here, what I have here is this is the package from, as you can see, is Be a Small. So thank you so much, Be a Small, thank you for supporting my small business. Open Me. You have been expecting me. Wow! I love the message here. Open me. You've been expecting me. That's so cool right there. So let's open this one. Oh my goodness, I super love it. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this one. This is so amazing. Oh my god. So this is what I'm talking about. So this one is different. It has a holder. I'll explain it to you what I call those one. So this one has so the last time what it has the same brushes, the same color, it's pink or kind of rose gold, but this one it's called a large storage bucket. See, where you can store all the brushes in there, and it has also a sponge. The last time was no sponge, where you can put your sponge as well for your liquid foundation. So this is pretty cool. Oh my goodness. See? So it has 12, I bet. It has, if I'm not mistaken, 12 brushes. Let me see on the description. Yeah, no, it has 18 pieces makeup brushes. So yeah, this is it. I think I'm gonna open this one little by little. So this one is the powder brush, as you can see. That's the powder brush right there. I'm gonna put back the it has angle brushes as well. it has so it has 18. Oh my goodness, this is pretty amazing. See, I'm gonna remove all the plastic so that you guys can. It has like small sponges. Oh my goodness, first time I see this kind of like sponge. Oh my god. So yeah, this look at my, it's like a small eggs from an ostrich. So yeah, it has 3 small sponges and 2 right there. So I'm gonna remove all the plastic so that you guys can see it. So I'm gonna use this one anyway. So I'm gonna remove all of them. This is for the eyebrow. See their brand, it says there be as small, if you can see. Super Love, it's lightweight, all the brushes. I think this is for the lipsticks. If you apply this one, this one is different too. Here's another one. And this one too, and this one. So it has 18. So see, and you can put all your brushes up here. So this is like kind of organizer. See, put all the sponge there, and this one. It's amazing. See. Okay, I'm gonna explain to you one by one what are the functions of all those brushes. Okay. So it has like 5 sponges, as you can see. It has, I showed it before, it has 2 big one and holder. It has a holder of a sponge. So it's like, this is like a large storage bucket which rotate 360. See, it's rotate. Put on the top. It's rotate 360. That's one thing about it. So if you want to try to find out your brushes, you know, you just like rotate it. There you go, I want this brush. Okay, so there you go, and I'll just show it that way so that you can see it right. So yeah, super love it, this one, and I hope I can work with again with BS Small makeup set brushes, because I super love your makeup set brushes. Oh my goodness, next time I'll choose the black one, because I saw it online that they have the black one. So yeah, it has powder brush, it has angle brush as well, it has foundation brush, so it has blush brush. This one, blush brush, and small foundation brush. I think this is it. Yeah, this one, small foundation brush. And it has detail brush, 2, 4, 6, I think this one, small dated. Nose shadow brush. It has also number 6, 2, 4, 6. So it has a lot. See, it's for your nose. If you want to contour your nose, you can use this one as also. It has large eyeshadow brush. 8, 2, 4, 6. I think this one. Imagine that it has like 18 brushes function. So this is like pretty good deal, and don't you worry guys, I'm gonna put the link on my description. And if you guys have if you are interested to purchase it, you know, to all of my friends and subscribers and fans out there, you can give this to your friends or your sisters or your mom, you know, as gift. This is perfect for gift as well. So, you know, for men, you can vote this one as well to get, you know, give to your other half, to your wife, or to your, you know, to your friends and family as a gift. This is perfect. Like the box also is perfect. So amazing. I super love this product. I'm in love. So it's hard to say no to this brand. Thank you so much, BS Small makeup set brushes. Super love it. So it has also concealer brushes. I think this one, and it has halo brush, it has lip brush, it has lip brushes. I think this is the lip brushes, and the fan brush, multi-function brush, everything. So it has for your eyebrow, you know, this one you can use for like that for your eyebrow. And I think I say it all, and you know, I can't wait to work with again with BS Small with this super love this one. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's 18. Imagine that it has 18 set of brushes, makeup brushes. And this one thing good about it, it has five sponges, and it has a holder. Imagine that. It's such a good deal. If you guys you want to buy this one as gift, it's perfect. It's perfect for gifts for your loved ones and friends, and I would highly recommend this product. So I bet, thank you, that's it. I say it all, and thank you so much for watching. And once again, has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you, stay safe and enjoy the rest of your days. Bye, and thank you for watching.